see the jam right there.
Nice.
No, you got a tomato jam.
Yeah,
right,
so
that is it. Right there.
Come,
Make a bit
right
more
in
jam.
front, right in front. Yes.
Yeah.
Dig up now. Yes, girl.
That is
Got
lovely.
this.
Alright, go back to the front plate. Now,
Don't
up
let
at the
it
top
hand.
and pick up a next piece
Come,
of bread.
all the way
Yes.
across.
Yes.
To your
And
left,
just
to
put
the
back.
right,
Yeah.
to the right.
You know, put it so smooth
Good
together.
job.
I wrong side.
No,
You
fat,
put it.
no,
Yeah.
put on the
Put
knife.
on that. Rest
Put on the knife. Nice slice of bread. Nice slice
Yeah.
of bread.
Right there.
Nice
All
covering.
right. Back for bread over there, so. Bread
Okay,
again.
wow. That's
Yeah. Knife, right? See the knife right there? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I know tomato, right there. No, right there, tomato. Yeah, tomato, the thing. Yeah, and some lettuce right there. Lettuce right there. Lettuce right there, so. Yeah. And yeah, bread. Yeah. You have the bread already. You have to put the tomato in that big right thing. Yeah. And put knife plate.
I play this.
Yeah. We have not put it on top of the next.